And should business owners rethink performance pays and bonuses post COVID? Because I think there is a lot of AI disruptions also there. How do you look at this rethinking on performance pay?
That's a very tricky area if you ask me per se. But then yes, I mean, as I said, you're asking this question to a finance person who certainly has to keep the profits
Yeah.
in mind, and obviously talent and cost. I have seen and I have heard, typically if I look at this response from people budget. Since we are
Hmm.
talking of talent, let me bring that angle of people budget. And I have known of industries who are looking at a people budget in a very different way. So, for example, if there is someone who is leaving an organization, instead of filling that, how do you optimize your works and bring in efficiency? So, is there a way you can eliminate that work? Is there a way you can automate that work? And if is there a way to bring more efficiency? Now, how do I link it to performance pay? Obviously, when you're taking more work, when you're increasing your span operations and getting more work within the same resources, you are not just optimizing for the organization, you're certainly adding more value. Now this more values surely is going to translate to a better profitability, and I'm sure in today's world no organization who is having a better profitability don't want to share it with the teams. So if you ask me from a performance pay point of view, it's very cyclical. So, from a leadership point of view, it's time that you bring in the change in your performance measures. As I said in the beginning, where I began, from cost per hire to what is the value per hire. If you try to optimize them and reward it back to the people, that not only motivates, in the longer run, I've seen it benefiting for the organization as well.